morning. It's time to leave. But before we go, we are gonna head, because our flight's not till like 5 o'clock, I think it was. I think so. So we're going for lunch around Naples. I'm gonna go buy a few bits, some gifts, some panettone. So obviously I'll take you guys along with me. And then, yeah, going back to London. I'm wearing my new hat, by the way. I bought it. I was so desperate for a black hat because I lost mine. So I was really happy. It's all wool. They all thought I was mad. Well, strangely, because in Italy they should understand. I was going around going, there's no plastic, no plastic. I don't want plastic. Just want wool. But there was that shop. I can't remember the name, but you saw it. So yeah, I'm gonna go. Also, it's raining. We're literally in the clouds now. You can't see anything. Can't see Ravello, can't see Scala. Just in one big cloud. And we've actually got the door open. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. You can see the clouds coming in. Oh, I don't think you're going to pick it up on the camera, but the clouds are drifting into the living room. So funny. Bye, Nonna. I love you. See you soon. Look after the house. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. I love you. I miss you. Completely engulfed in clouds. The view is now non-existent. Look at this. It's amazing. Need to be very careful though when I'm driving. We are in Pepe's for breakfast, and these are all the Christmas sweets, like the classic Christmas sweets. And that's them there. Everyone's here getting all their Christmas cakes, and over here, look at the amount of panettone. It's insane. They look amazing. I love Pepe's, so I'd love to try one. Even the boxes are nice. I mean, look at the size of this one here. Oh wow, look at the little cookie Christmas trees. And there's a cake there. Wow. A little Christmas basket to take to someone's house. €105 for a little baba, wine, panettone and some chocolates. Oh, and all the Christmas decorations. So cool. We have found a restaurant here in Naples for a quick bite before we get on the plane, because I refuse to have plane food. I'd rather starve. You'll notice that I've lost my voice. I don't know why. I did have a bit of a sore chest as I was leaving Italy, so I don't know if I have a little chest infection. I'm not in any pain whatsoever, but it's quite difficult for me to talk, so you're gonna have to bear with me. I have been working all day and I filmed a makeup look. You can head to my Instagram to see how I did this. Probably a bit difficult to see because it's getting dark. Also, I was so annoyed because, you know, when you're not feeling 100%, you can always see it in your face and in your eyes. And I feel like you can see I'm not 100%. But anyway, it is what it is. We just have to embrace it. I didn't get a chance in Italy to show you a few bits that I bought. I haven't got very much at all, but I really wanted to show you. So I got a pair of earrings. Nothing special, but it was in the market, and I went to film this after I bought them in the car. And that's when my camera started playing up and it wouldn't let me record, obviously, because there was no space. But I got these earrings from, there was basically this little lady. She was older. She was just sitting there so quietly, like everyone's trying to get your attention. She was just sitting there so quietly, just smiling at me. And she had a load of earrings, and I just had to get something. So I saw these. They're obviously not gold, but they were so cheap. They were only €7. But I just got them. I just wanted to give her something but it's like 2 cascading flowers, I suppose. I just thought they were really nice, and I thought, you know what, me buying them would just make her happy, and I could definitely get use out of them. I didn't try them on, I just grabbed them, but I actually really like them. What do you guys think? I think it was a lucky buy, and I hope it was worth her while coming out that day. It was a little bit cold that day and she was just sitting there. So anyway, what do you guys think? I really like them. Like, imagine with your hair like maybe in a bun, if you're going out. I mean, this is a terrible version of a bun, but just to give you guys an idea. They're nice, aren't they? So I got those, and then also I mentioned I was wanting to get a panettone. The place that we normally get panettone from, which is a bar in Angri, we didn't make because we were running behind time to get to the plane basically. But we went to Pepe's, where we always go for our croissants and our orange juice in the morning, and I saw they did panettone. And I will say the panettones on the Amalfi Coast are insanely expensive. There were panettones for €50 and there were panettones for €170. Yes, €170. So we saw Pepe's had some, and I didn't have space for a full panettone, so a kilo, which is like your normal size box. So I got half a kilo, and this still, in my opinion, so expensive. It was €24. But I just thought, I'm gonna get one. I've never had a Pepe's panettone. Obviously everything's made in-house and it's all fresh ingredients, etc, etc. So I chose the panettone al cioccolato, so it's the panettone with the little chocolate bits, because I don't like the classic. I love the pandoro, which is like just the plain one, but they didn't have it. So I got that. I'm not going to open it now obviously, but I just wanted to show you because it was just presented so wonderfully, and that's just a tiny little panettone in there that we'll have for Christmas. So yeah, that's what I got. I bought back some cheese for my mum, and actually from Pepe's as well, they did the classic Christmas chocolate biscuits. I feel like we've eaten them all, but actually I think I've got one left. Let me grab it to show you. They've literally not lasted a minute. This tray was full. There's 2 left, but basically it's these chocolate biscuits. The classic one has like a spice flavour to it, so it has like cardamom and cinnamon stuff. I think it's cardamom and cinnamon. You would have actually seen them in my other vlog. Then when I was at my auntie's, she made they were the best. But anyway, Pepe's had like a huge variety. They had ones with almonds in it, they had ones with like chocolate sauce in it. This looks like a nutty one as well, and it's like biscuity covered in chocolate. So I brought a load of them back. I brought back some sfogliatellas for people, just the usual stuff, just the classic Italian bits for this time of year. I didn't get anything else other than these earrings for myself. But yeah, I'm back in London. Again, I'm not feeling, to be honest, I feel myself, just my chest and speaking is quite difficult. I don't know if I've been speaking too much. Maybe it's that, I'm not sure. But we're gonna power on through, and I'm gonna continue to bring you Vlogmas until the last day. So I'm gonna have some dinner, and I'm thinking about heading over to Ikea because I want to get some curtains for my room. I'm really trying to warm up my room. Like, my curtains were transparent. It was quite, yeah, the idea was like waking up with the sun, but I feel like I just need a bit of coziness. So anyway, I want to head to Ikea, and I also want to head to Homesense. My mum is just at the dentist, so I'm going to see when she's getting back, and then I want to take her too. So I'll take you guys along with me, do a little come shop with me to Ikea and Homesense and see what we get. But I'm gonna have dinner first because I'm starving. I've been working all day. I filmed a makeup look, which is, did I mention? I'm not sure. I filmed this makeup look, which you will see over on my Instagram. It's like a Christmas look. It's getting a bit dark, so you can't really see, but I've gone a bit more heavier on the eyes, a little bit more of a bold lip, and I think I've done a good job. So if you'd like to know what products I used and how I did it, head over to my Instagram and you'll see it there. I actually have a few events coming up, and I'm definitely gonna recreate this a few times. I've also put some, I don't know if you can see, but there's a bit of sparkle on my eyelids. It's the only time of year I do it. So anyway, I'm gonna go and eat, and then we can head out.
It's not the right blue though. But
it's not the right blue, but how beautiful is this? Shaped and painted entirely by hand in the centuries-old tradition. That is stunning, Stefania.
Stunning.
Reminds me of the Amalfi Coast.
Reminds me.
Oh, they've got mini ones.
With fishing.
Homesense seem to have, I mean, it's the first time I'm seeing it, but encased pieces for home. So like these are all Versace.
Wow,
and ladro. That means thief in Italian.
That was £675.
Yeah, that's the first I'm seeing of that. We've just found some Ralph Lauren Christmas tree baubles, I suppose, in the teddies, which is really cute. But wouldn't suit our tree, Stefania, I'm afraid. Got some vegan panettones, so we're going to grab one of them for the vegan person that we're buying for. They've also got quite a few actually.
Senza canditi, so that's a good one.
Yeah, it's one we've got. We've got the chocolate one, and this is just Senza. I think it's just plain.
The vegan Christmas cake with no candied fruit. That's so much better.
That's good. I'm in like the healthy corner, and they have purely chips, which is such a good one. Well as they've got muesli from Rude Health. How good is that?
What have you found?
They got muesli from Rude Health, and also, oh look, they've got Captain Kombucha, Steph.
Oh wow, but that's in a plastic box.
Oh my goodness, they've got this as well. We use that.
Oh yeah, we use that.
Yeah, they've got purely, lots of purely. We are in IKEA. Has anyone ever walked backwards through IKEA? Because that's what we're doing. We couldn't be bothered to do the whole like looking at all of the setup.
We like to go against the grain.
We're just going straight, so we know we're girls that know what they want. So we're heading straight to the curtains and straight to the storage. This is your advent calendar. We got Tommy a Scrumbles advent calendar. Look at it, do you like it? What's the date today? The 12th?
13th.
30. You can have 30. No, we're just gonna have to keep this going. Oh look, what's in here, Tommy? Oh.
Tommy!
Oh.
He doesn't want you to talk anymore.
Do you want to speak? Can you smell it now? Oh yes.
What's Tommy got?
You can smell. And
What's
what have we
Tommy got?
We got some biscuits. You get 2 biscuits in one day and they're hearts. Is it nice?
Oh, we've all got advent calendars now. Merry Christmas, Tommy.
Is that nice, Tommy? We can all have our advent calendars together, can't we? He's like, oh, what is this box?
This is the thumbnail.
Now you're interested.
This is the thumbnail.
Now you're interested.
Tommy!
Now you're interested.